The biggest mistake that I believe causing people thousands of dollars of deals is not following up. Let me give you my example again. Haha, always like so. Look at it. So this is a client that I've closed in January for $1,200, right? And what happened is I had to follow up with the client for a complete month, like for a complete month, right, to land him as a client. So it cost me like 4 weeks of constant following up to land him as a client. Imagine if I stop following up with the guy after the second week just because he is not or he was not replying to my DMs, right? I could have lost a $1,200 deal just because I thought in my mind that the guy is not interested in my services. But in reality, it was not. Why? Because the dude, he was hospitalized, which is why he couldn't reply to my DMs. So it is all in the head, right? So instead of thinking like the guy is not interested or someone is not interested in your services just because they are not following, like replying to your follow-ups, get this thing out of your head, right? There are thousands of things that can happen to someone's life which can be the reason why they are not responding back. Take an example, like let's say you are the the person who's selling me the services and I am the prospect. Now you DM me and let's say I'm in the gym, right? So I saw your DM and I like thought of, okay, I am busy right now, what if I go back home and reply back to him? And what happens is, like let's say I reach home and I then forget about you, right? This can happen. This is something which is like really common, right? So there can thousands of things like that can happen, right, which may cause the reason behind not replying back to your follow-ups. So what you as a salesman you should be doing, right, is keep on following up. If you want to land your client as a copywriter, then keep on following up, have a proper follow-up system, right? So if you do that and keep following up unless until they say like they're not interested, or they like directly say, if you're on X then this is familiar to you, unless they like directly say fuck you on your face, keep on following up. Do not put this thing in your mind, or do not let this thought came in your mind that the prospect is not interested just because they are not replying back. Now talking about the follow-up system, if you are interested in a follow-up system, then I'm gonna be dropping my follow-up system sometime next week in my newsletter. So if you're interested in that, I am attaching my newsletter in the description of this video. Go check it out, subscribe, get your hands on the follow-up system, use it, land deals like me, right? So that is it for the video. If you liked it, do share it with a friend and subscribe to my page. I have like much more tips like this coming like next week and then next to next week and so on, right? So subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.